Hi vlog! Okay. Okay na sir, dito lang tayo sa unahan sir. Saan side sir?
Dito po.
American pa lang. Sige po sir kung
Ay, sige.
sa'yo na yung marks.
Sige, okay lang.
Yes sir. Ay siya sir. Bigyan natin ng gamot sir.
Sige po.
Ito sir, papatakan mo siya neto 2 times a day sir.
Para saan po yung pampatak?
Ano sir, para mabilis yung healing process niya.
Pagka-uwi ko dito, biglang dumating sunod-sunod yung Lala Move. So, isang Lala Move lang naman. Kasi isang package, guys, is nireceive na ng kapitbahay namin. This is from Mr. Potato. It's a collaboration with Netflix na Squid Game. So, guys, kung nanonood kayo yung Squid Game, alam niyo naman na malapit na mag-Squid Game Season 2. Like dito. Mga canister ng Mr. Potato. Nice yun. So cute. Merong funky pop. Like, guys, for the record, this is my first funky pop. Like, never ako nagkaroon ng ganito. Like, wala akong Labubu, wala akong Hirono. This is my first time to have this kind of toy. And super cute niya. Like, hindi ako fan. I'm not a fan ng mga ganitong bagay. Pero na-receive ko siya, guys. Super nakitan ako. Like, ngayon ko lang ito bubuksan. This is from SenseMade. So, actually, I already have this one last week lang. And super cute ng box niya. As you will see as here. So, I decided to have my own. So, this one, guys, is travel kit nila to. So, hindi ako yung bumili ng parang Relabo style nila na bottle. Mga ganito siya. Mga travel size scent. Super, hand carry. Diba? Travel size. Tapos, nag-text din sa akin yung rider nung na-receive ko niya. Sabi niya, iniwan niya daw yung package sa harap ng bahay. Pero may nag-receive naman daw. Ooh. So, guys, bumili kasi ako ng Dasmite. So, Dasmite niya. So, tama yung hula ko. So, ito yun, guys. So, super laki. The one that I got is the Derma Dasmite Vacuum Cleaner DEMCM98CW. Let's try. Wait. Cute. Yung magagamit ko to sa mga unan. So, magagamit ko to. Then, can be used then, aside from pillow, pwede rin siya sa sofa, pwede siya sa kama. So, very useful siya. So, alam nyo ba guys, di ba nagpa-pierce tayo? Tapos, una ko naramdaman, kasi sabi sa akin ni ate, nung nagpa-pierce ako, is, masakit daw siya. Parang mga 1 week yung healing. Pero less than, meron naman mga case na parang araw lang, like 2 days, 3 days, magaling na siya. Yung case ko naman guys, masakit siya nung una, nung kinagabihan, kasi nung nag-shower ako, naghilamos, ganun. Hindi ko talaga, di ba, pag nagkaganon ako ng towel, hindi ko siya natitiis na hindi matamaan. So, medyo masakit siya nung unang gabi. Pero kinabukasan naman wala na. Until now din eh. Like, kahit nga napipisil ko na yung lobe eh. Yung, wala na siya. Pero nagpapatak pa din ako ng solution na binigay, yung gamot. Super happy kasi first piercing ko to.
At the same time. So we must always adhere to mutual respect naman po sa ating mga kapit. Yung booth ninyo, yung gamit nyo po nasa hall 4. The official closing of the event. So this does not... For example, ma'am,
a half a box. So basically, guys, kasi, one more click. Right. So guys, ganun lang kayo right now. You just pop your mouth. So just pop your mouth and then exhale. Yes? Also, this is group 3. So I want you guys to look for the egg testing. Yeah. So, no, sorry. This is the water dip, Listerine dip. So this one is actually a little bit stained. This one is less stained. So of course staining happens, but yun nga, parang this one, it protects from surface stains. At least shade of dark. So again, very minuscule because the whole protocol is supposed to be 10 minutes. So a darker tone, a lighter tone. Yeah. You need a volunteer with gloves.
Naka-cinematic ka.
Below the tongue. Disease. Especially the ones in between the teeth. That will become a tartar buildup.
Hey guys, so, yan cute. Ito sa tata.
Ako yung kawawa kasi siya yung parang naka-feel talaga. You know, she grew up like her first year, like walang tao, pandemic. So when it was opening up, parang she was scared. Oh my God. Kawawa. But now she's okay.
I'll go through the Hey guys, 30 seconds left. Please paste your winning ideas in the flipboard. It's a machine. Do we have more work?